Australia.
Australien.
I'd love to go to Australia on holiday. Autumn.
Herbst.
Autumn is my favorite season. Balance.
Gleichgewicht.
Do you have a good work-life balance? Bilingual.
Zweisprachig.
You need a bilingual dictionary for your English course. Church.
Kirche.
We often go to church on Sunday mornings. Competition.
Wettbewerb.
I didn't win the competition. Cycling.
Radfahren.
My dad loves cycling. Donkey.
Esel.
My daughter is an animal lover and wants to buy a donkey. Excitement.
Begeisterung.
I love the excitement of Sunday morning, before the races start. Fan.
Fan, zum Beispiel Sportfan.
Are you a sports fan? Fishing.
Fischerei.
I never go fishing. I don't enjoy it. Flat.
Wohnung.
Ellie lives in a flat in the town center. Get up.
Aufstehen.
What time do you get up? Ground.
Sportplatz.
I usually train at the sports ground. Hard.
Hart, zum Beispiel hart arbeiten.
You have to train hard if you want to succeed. Have trouble.
Probleme haben.
Do you have trouble sleeping? Hedgehog.
Igel.
When I was a child, I wanted to have a hedgehog. Horse riding.
Reiten.
He loves horses, so he often goes horse riding. Indian.
Indisch. Inder. In.
We went to an Indian restaurant for dinner. Instrument.
Instrument.
My favorite musical instrument is the piano. Irish.
Irisch. Ire. Iren.
She was born in Dublin, so she's Irish. Italy.
Italien.
My parents went to Italy on holiday last year. Jamaican.
Jamaikanisch. Jamaikaner. In.
My dad is Jamaican. Japanese.
Japanisch. Japaner. In.
Do you like Japanese food like sushi? Jockey.
Jockey.
Frankie Dettori is a horse racing jockey. Lively.
Lebhaft.
It was a lively concert, full of energy and enthusiasm. Market town.
Marktstadt.
I live in a market town which always gets busy on market day. Match.
Spiel, zum Beispiel Sport.
Would you like to go to the football match next Sunday? Mess.
Durcheinander.
The kids were playing all day and the house was a mess. Mile.
Meile.
1 mile is approximately 1.6 kilometers. Miss.
Vermissen.
Did you miss your family while you were away? Musical.
Musical.
Would you like to learn how to play a musical instrument? Postcode.
Postleitzahl.
The letter won't arrive if you don't write the postcode. Put on.
Anziehen.
I'd put on a coat if I were you. It's cold outside. Pajamas.
Schlafanzug.
I always watch TV at night in my pajamas. Race course.
Rennstrecke.
There are horse races every Saturday on a race course near here. Season.
Jahreszeit.
What's your favorite season, spring or summer? Set off.
Aufbrechen.
We are all ready, so let's set off for the picnic. Share.
Teilen.
I share a flat with my friend Lucy. Skiing.
Skifahren.
I love winter because I can go skiing. Smoke.
Rauchen.
I never smoke at home. Soul.
Seele.
Alexandra's mother was a soul and R&B singer. South African.
Südafrikanisch, Südafrikaner, in.
Johannesburg is the biggest South African city. Spring.
Frühling.
I like the smell of flowers in spring. Star.
Star, zum Beispiel in einem Film.
My parents are actors. They star in many movies. Stuff.
Zeug.
They sell old furniture, decorations, and stuff like that. Summer.
Sommer.
We often go to the swimming pool in summer. Text.
SMS schicken.
I text my friends all the time. Traffic.
Verkehr.
My mum was late because the traffic was bad this morning. Train.
Trainieren, zum Beispiel Sport.
You have to train hard to become a professional athlete. Win.
Gewinnen.
Did you win the match? Windsurfing.
Windsurfen.
Windsurfing is my favorite sport. Winter.
Winter.
Celia loves playing in the snow in winter.